Welcome aboard the Holland America Oosterdam. Today I'll be giving you a tour of one of the ship's cozy and comfortable interior cabins. Whether you're planning your next cruise or just curious about life at sea, you're in for a surprise. In April, we set sail for the Dave Koz Jazz Cruise. This was a bit of a last-minute and somewhat expensive trip. The cruise set sail from Athens, Greece, so there was the added expense of a flight and hotel in Athens before the cruise even left. We decided to go with a more affordable cabin on this trip since we would be in port for 6 out of the 7 days. We figured we wouldn't be spending too much time in the room. Our room, 6147, was located towards the rear of the ship. The interior cabin is designed to maximize comfort and functionality. The room was very spacious. An interior stateroom is typically from about 151 to 233 square feet. This provided a pretty cozy space for 2 people. Definitely would be a little cramped if you had more than that. There was a functional desk area with plenty of outlets, which we used for charging our devices and phones. The room also included a flat screen TV. There was the same amount of storage as we had in the balcony room, and the ensuite bathroom this time did not have a bathtub, but it did have a shower, sink, and toilet, along with basic toiletries such as shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. The shower was a little small, and I'm really not a fan of the towels hanging over the toilet. The decor was a little dated, but it did reflect Holland America's signature style. The room was equipped with climate control, but we could never get it quite right. We were either hot or cold most of the time. The beds were comfortable, and there's no better sleep than in a completely dark room, assuming your roommate doesn't snore. My biggest issue with the room was that it was so dark that you had to have the lights on all of the time. With a window or balcony room, you can usually have natural light during the day. Having an interior room was a little different for me because I really do enjoy having a balcony and waking up in the morning to go outside and see where we've arrived. But interior staterooms do provide a cozy and cost-effective option for those who prioritize spending time on the ship or during excursions instead of spending time in the room.
Welcome to our inside cabin, y'all.
Wow.
What are your first thoughts, Melina?
It's not bad at all. It's fine.
It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be.
Got a lot of room here.
It's bigger than the room we just came out.
Right. It actually is. No,
Oh,
it's
good.
fine. I'm just gonna be trying to look out the window.
Look out the window.
That's the only thing.
Hey, you two, would you like to see what's behind curtain number 1?
It's not awful at all.
It's not awful at all. And there's, because I wasn't sure where our bags were going to go,
There's room for our bag.
but we don't need the adjoining door.